bass thumping, y'all. I finally got something for my car, y'all.
It's so they ask how I get that
Oh, these are the mirrors. I'm in the home aisle. They have all these bathrooms. Everything is like stock. That's why I came here. This is gonna be my new Burlington, y'all. So they got all the pillow stuff. You know, they just open. So nice. My booty looking right though. Look at that ass though.
They don't know. I bet they don't even know.
Yeah, I'm just looking at stuff. Look at this art. This art is so pretty, y'all. Like, so nice. All the other candles that I found. This one smells good. Apple gloss smells good. This I haven't tried yet. This one's alright. So this is all the candles. I don't like holiday candles, so I'm gonna check these out. I always know, y'all. Jesus. And it's a new store, so you know it's gonna be packed. It's not packed, it's just not long. No bueno. Next stop, Home Goods and Marshalls. Come on, lady. Home Goods and Marshalls, y'all. Gonna get a few stuff that I really need. You feel me? I look so slim. Going back to the gym tomorrow, y'all. Going back. Gotta get back in shape. You feel me? The year about to be over. 2022. Gotta get your body right.
These bitches don't got no feelings, they don't got no senses, they don't got no soul. You know that I'm right and you know that you wrong. Run around loving souls, run around thinking these women is at your disposal. That is a no.
There's nothing in Home Goods and Marshalls. Nothing. So now I'm at Chick-fil-A. I'm so hungry. I just came from Chick-fil-A, right? I had my little coupon thing. I already used it at Hialeah. They're like, oh, it's only for Coral Spring. I'm like, dang. I knew I used it already. I just want to see if it'll go through, but it ain't go through. But, hey, they gave me an extra frosty drink, though. Because the other lady gave me the frosty drink, and he didn't know I had my drink already. So he like, Shirley? I'm like, right here. So he gave me the bag with the another frosty. I'm like, he like, shit, don't say nothing. I'm like, hey, I mean, you already gave it to me. You might as well give it to me now. You feel me? So he like, all right. So I'm like, let me hear please. So he gave me my little free drink. I wish they would give me more extra nuggets, though. And some fries. I love me some Chick-fil-A fries, though, y'all. Chick-fil-A is the bomb. Bomb.com, okay? I'm about to eat in the car. And I might go home or I might go to other stores. So I do want to cook for tonight. I want to cook for tonight so I can bring this to work tomorrow because I don't want to keep spending money. So, yeah. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, okay? Click the notification bell. And just, you know, be with me through this vlog. It's like a random, regular vlog. Ain't nothing too serious I'm doing. I just want to, you know, bring you guys with me while I do my little mini, not really mini shopping, just to buy whatever. Okay, so stay tuned. So this is the candle that I got. It's a Christmas candle. It was $8. This is Snowflake Flurry Natural Soy Wax candle. The 2 wax candle thing. It smells so good, y'all. So this one, if y'all ain't check out my last vlog, but you guys check that out when I went to TJ Maxx to get some candles. The Linen Breeze is what I've been using. It's almost half done. I used it together with the cucumber melon This one smells so good, y'all. Like the DW Home, that's the best candle brand. This brand, it smells so good, but the one that was at Home Goods in Burlington wasn't it. Burlington has some holiday ones, but the Home Good ones, it was a lot that was on sale, but I ain't like the smell. It smelled horrible. The crystals, I like that regular stuff. So yeah, I'm back home. I'm about to lit up my candles a little bit. Not a little bit. I'm about to lit it up just to see how it smells right now. I'm gonna mix it together.
You're such a man. You got the whole world in your hands, but you be playing, fucking all the girls she can't stand, bitches and hoes, so many bitches and hoes, but they don't know. I bet they don't even know
that you let her phone, her phone. She be paying your bills, buying all of your clothes, and she pay for your phone. You be taking you on, your shit friends. Did you give them your kids? She be watching your kids. You gon' fuck around and find her. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, you gon' fuck around and find her.
you gon' fuck around and find. Just like it better, you cannot do better, and you will regret it. Oh yeah, you gon' fuck around and find yourself, find yourself, find yourself. That might help. Dreaming it all before, messing with all of your bitches and hoes. So many bitches and hoes, but they don't know.
They crazy, man. Of course the charges drop. Let it be a black man. Y'all, I'm watching Court Cam. Let me mute it right quick. Y'all know me on Wednesdays, boy. Gotta watch my Court Cam. Court Cam, First 48, all that crime show. But anyways, y'all, that's the end of my vlog. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. You know, comment down below if you love this video. Give this video a thumbs up. You know, if you guys love my vlog of me just doing random things, let me know. Comment down below. Also, don't forget to tell a friend about my channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell. Ding, ding, ding. So you guys can be up to date with my video. And I'll see you, you know, in my next video. Bye. Deuces.